What's up, y'all? It's your boy LS254, man. Tune in for another one. So I'm just leaving from Cortez crib. Got a jewel for y'all, man. You know, a lot of people trying to jump into the box Chevy game. This is one that I feel was it was definitely worth the asking price. Very good condition. So if you're looking, I'm gonna put the seller's info. Cortez is not selling this box. I'm not selling this box. We're doing a favor for a buddy of ours, and just trying to get the word out there, and then, you know, possibly get it sold for him. Enjoy the video. Like I said, if you have any questions, seller's contact info will be in the description box below. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS254, man. Bringing y'all this exclusive a box for sale. Yes, sir. Give you that walk around. It's 1983 Chevy Caprice Classic. First paint job, two-tone. Y'all might have remembered this video when Cortez first was doing some work on the car. But since then, a lot of upgrades been made. Nice touches. How many of y'all hoods that pop open like that? You know what I'm saying? All OG for y'all purists out there that don't want to mess up your car. Don't want to LS swap it. It's a 305 with some good heads on it. Everything intact. AC. See, you guys, got your fuses there. So some music up in that thing. Let me show you the inside. Show you that paint up close. You see it. You see it. This is the one that they call Granddaddy Clean, Grandmama Clean. All original. No rips, no tears. Original miles. A lot of people say it. This one's proven. Look at that steering wheel. Shine. I can't even get the glare out that thing, boy. Quartz clock. Aftermarket radio with equalizer. That's Scar Audio. Pioneer deck. You know, that's a preference of mine. I gotta have a Pioneer in mine too. Got to have it. Flow mat, I'm telling you, it's like a time capsule. Like a time capsule. Take you around to the other side, and then we're gonna show you the trunk. You see that reflection out the trunk? Perfect. Perfect. Got it from that side. Just look at that reflection, boy. Yes, sir. You can see it very well taken care of. Headliner, good condition. This whole video is a thumbnail. You know what I mean? Got the 15 205 75s. Got the Legend Series wheels on there. Oh, y'all heard it.
I got 4,500 right now, man.
That ain't gonna get you nowhere, sir.
That shit is.
There's a man in the trunk. I don't think I ever seen a trunk this clean. Oh, I got the boards in the LS, but my board's not that pretty. That's like fresh cardboard. Fresh unmolested. Nice clean install.
I was trying to do a video, man, but you know I'm not really. Check this out, bro, man.
Unmolested wires. We ain't worried about no copyright, cause we cashing out, baby.
Forgot about that one ticket rattle. Banging the trunk, man. Gorilla's in the trunk. So that's 12. The clears in the front and the 4 6x9s in the back.
4 6x9s, 2 12s.
Scar Audio.
Scar Audio. Good brand, good brand. So this car can be yours for the beautiful price of the music. So the music.
Music good or not. I'm just saying $10K for the box. I think that's without the music. You want the pressure?
That's without the music. Okay, so sewing machine 305.
AC work, like I said, man. Recharged AC, everything working, clutching, coated pipes, all new seals on it. You ain't hear no wind in here. You know what I'm saying? Nothing.
Now the sun wanted to show us how
there
to.
we go. Yeah, now we can really see what it looks like.
Hey, the sun wanted to show us the dancing.
Look at God.
Yeah. Let the sun shine, baby. I know he said it was supposed to be cloudy today. The sun said he want to give y'all a sneak peek. All parts is dirt, gleaming on the bumper filler. Man, I'm trying to tell you, you ain't gonna see nothing, you ain't gonna find nothing else this clean, original. So as it sits for the box by itself, I think he said 10K. How much did they want the music with it? I'm asking. If you serious, you can find out the price with the music. How about that?
What's that?
If you for real,
Man, don't call after 7.
Put it back all the way over here. Put the spare back in the back. The jack back in the front like it's supposed to be. All that stuff in my sports shit. Put the radio back. 2 knobs. I got another stuff. Dash piece.
yeah.
Put the radio back in there after like you do from the factory.
So we can, yeah. So he can put it back factory for you, or if you serious, just know it's 10K up with the, as it sits with the music and everything.
I like the real one. I like them.
They got the knockoffs on there.
He's got the OG hubcaps, OG rims. On there.
OG wheels and hubcaps come with it.
Brand new tires.
Yeah, it's on a brand new set with the white walls. Look at that. Look at that reflection in the hood. You can see the clouds in the hood.
Damn, sound like an operating sewing machine.
Like a sewing machine. You gonna take it down the street and bring it back for us? So you hear that pull off? Woo!
Bouncy, bouncy, riding smooth, riding great. Look at them lights.
Yes, sir.
Get that police turn on your ass. Look at that. What?
Yes, sir. Reverse lights working. Brake lights working. Glass house. All this car is missing is you. So if you're serious, I'm gonna have the contact info down in the description box below. You too can become part of the Box Chevy gang.
Bring your earned income tax credit. Whatever you gotta do to get it, man. No worries, no stress, man. The carburetor's already been, like I said, been rebuilt carburetor on there or whatever, already been done in it. All the fuel hoses or whatever, brand new lines on it. You got no problems, no issues, no worries. Y'all know me, man. Like I despise a carburetor. This is the one I wanted to get. I've been thinking about one though.
Yeah.
I just got too many shits going on to put 10K in this one right here.
You wouldn't have to do it. We know you would probably swap it.
I pull that motherfucker
Yeah. We know you gonna pull the motor out, but if you not me at Cortez and can leave it be,
I couldn't leave it be.
man. It's ready to ride.
Like that.
You gotta pull it out.
49,000 miles on it, man. Why the fuck
Yeah.
do that?
Why would you? Why would you? And that ain't no.
Let's walk the world. That's why.
Yeah, that ain't no odometer rolling over.
It's all.
Know what I'm saying?
The laser on there, and the numbers are all legit, man. 49,000, 52, probably 52 and a half now in the street.
Yes, sir.
They only got boys in town, like, you need to drive.
Yeah,
Jump in and drive it down.
you can tell.
CONCAT, man. This thing is clean. Look at all the activity for a roof up there, man.
Cortez on the rest of it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So if y'all are seriously interested, like I said, his contact information is gonna be down below. Don't waste his time.
Things like can of oil, baby. Don't call it at 7 p.m. Don't come with that bullshit. Talking about I got 4,500, patting your pockets, whatever else and stuff. It's tax season. Figure it out.
Right.
PPE loan. I don't know what to tell you.
Legally though, we don't want you going to jail for a box Chevy.
Get it done, man. Come legit. Come for real, man. Y'all buying that bullshit out there or whatever else worth more. That's got way more. 10 times more worth.
Problems and issues.
Problems and issues and everything else. This one here's legit. Like I said
Like
in my video, my bullshit extra video, you want to turn to a bro him, Opera lights, trim package, whatever. I don't know. Go get you a sticker and put it in your glove box and feel better about yourself. Same goddamn car though. Minus the trim package of the damn top and the lights. And that, same shit.
Actually, this is one you really should just keep the way it is. You know what I'm saying? Keep it. We know. We know.
You know they only got one big mirror on the outside?
Yeah, only on the driver's side there.
That's OG original how it came, y'all.
That's how it came.
Once again, time capsule. Time capsule.
Non-molested. So like I said, don't leave you for real. Hit me. Y'all know y'all got my Instagram. Like I said, his contact info will be down in the description box below. But, you know what I'm saying, if you want to reach me and then get the info from him, then I can punch in the right direction. So
this video will be up on my channel until it's sold. When it's sold, video's going off mine. Damn it, that's a whole lot asking me.
He sacrificed it. Like, you know, on mine it'll say for sale as long as it's still available, and then I'll update the title to sold once it's gone. But this is piece of Chevy history. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna get rid of the video once it's sold. So yeah, I definitely, if you serious, like I said, don't be wasting the man's time. He a businessman, 10,000 as it sits, minus the music. If you're real serious, hit him up, come see the car in person, and then, you know, make your offer, do your thing from there. So
Central Texas, baby.
Yeah, located in Central Texas, in the 254 zone.
No rust, no dust.
No rust, no dust. Not missing no pieces. All complete. So, till next time, y'all know what it is. You know what it is. It's your boy, LSR254, bringing you the exclusive deal on this 1983 box Chevy. It can't be yours if the price is right. You remember that show? Price is Right?
Like, what the hell I got to offer, a barter, a trade, or something? I'm trying to figure it out.